Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Traffic Escape game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Traffic Escape game on your device already, then all you need to do is open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and simply search for Traffic Escape. Once you find the application, you will find the install button if it is not already installed in your system. You can simply tap on install and wait until it is done, and you will see the play button, which you can tap on immediately. Now, as soon as you tap on the play button, it will immediately start to load the game from the very beginning. So this means that there are no save games or accounts associated with the Traffic Escape game, which means that you will not need to sign up or log in with any accounts in order to play this game. But it also means that none of your progress can be saved for you to come back to the game later and enjoy it. So there you have it. That is all you need to know about logging into the Traffic Escape game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.